clam factory. This piece already made and it's prepared for welding. This too is prepared and ready for welding. Why I said this? Because this iron was bent and this both was pushed together, and when set a new piece, then it's close the bore like so, and when I set this and open this, then all is okay, no problem. This is a old piece what was right here. I removed it by gas oxygen torch, and last operation that I should do, it's welding. I use my compact welding machine and I weld it. Plate will be set like so.